Okay, I think I'm sharing my whole screen now, Melissa. From my browser, I forget what I use, Chrome, I think. But anyway, we'll add another window here, and I'll type autodesk.com and hit enter. Close this. If by default I'm already signed in, that's my avatar, or whatever you call a thumbnail. Usually, sometimes there's a sign up or sign in up here. I'm not sure how I can emulate your computer any better. At any rate, where's the free software? Here we go. Scroll about 3/4 of the way down. Here's get free software for students. So we'll click on get free software for students. And there's two choices. This one, even though it says includes access to Mac, I believe it only gives you a choice of Windows. So I'd suggest try this AutoCAD for Mac button here. Click Get Product. And it'll download I believe it's MDG extension, which I assume is an executable to install AutoCAD for Mac. I'll click Download. It'll take 10 or 20 seconds here. Yeah, AutoCAD, Autodesk AutoCAD for Mac.dmg, I believe is the whole file name. I'll open up Windows Explorer in a second. Okay, I believe it's completely download. I'll open up Windows Explorer, and there's the folder. Whoop, nope. Here we go, downloads. And just downloaded this almost gigabyte Delta Mike Golf file. And I'm kind of afraid to click on it for fear of what Windows will do with the .dmg file. Again, I assume DMG is the same as Windows exe executable or running program. So nowhere do I see anything about an upgrade choice. For our class, AutoCAD LT is usable, but when we start second level class, AutoCAD LTs doesn't have the 3D capability. So I'd suggest get the full AutoCAD for Mac. While we're here, I'm going to check this out. We'll try the Windows. Now check it out. Here's a drop down, and the only option I got is Windows. So why did it say allows access to AutoCAD Mac? Anyway, try it again and be patient, and see you in class Monday. Catch you later. Bye.